Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Eden Jose Ochoa. I was born in the 2007. So today I am going to talk about important event from the 2000. The fish important events have been on September 11 to 2001. The territory after happened in the Amazing Star in the 2004. Facebook Facebook was created by Mark Zuckerberg. Media became very popular after that. In 2005, YouTube was launched. A million of people started watch video online. Also in 2005, Shakira became more internationally uh, famous. In 2007, Apple series in the film iPhone. Technology sharing around the world. Into 2008, the Olympic get to place in the Beijing, China. Many athletes participate in the event. Into 2009, Barack Obama visited the first African American president of the United States. Another important event happened on YouTube. U25 2009, Michael Jackson in Los Angeles. In the 2000, Colombia music became more famous around the world. Finally, in 2009, WhatsApp was creating in communication basic, faster and easier for and the people. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.